I recorded a video last week and it was all about how to add the mobile information bar to Squarespace website. And it got me thinking that really not many people know about the fact that you can add all of your business information directly into Squarespace. So I want to bring your attention to that and show you how to do it. To add our business information, what we want to do is go into settings. In settings, it's quite aptly named. If we go down, under commerce, we're going to have business information. In there, you can now put your phone number. So the number you want people to contact you on, obviously. So fill that in. That's not my actual number, just in case anyone tries to ring me. Then we've got contact email, and then we've got physical location. And this is integrated with Google Maps. So as you can see here, it says powered by Google. Basically, if you just start typing your address, it's going to give you a host of options. So I'll show you now. So if I put in, let's say, for instance, a WeWork location, I can scroll through some of these. We just plug that in, and then you can see it automatically fills it in. And then we got the map here, just to make sure that you got the right one. And then business hours. So you can format this in all of these ways. So you can put in closed, maybe you're closed on Mondays. You can have all day, and then you can have various times like so. Obviously you can put in whatever time you want. So let's just say you're open from 9:48 to 11:17. You can put whatever you want in, basically. Just me being stupid, but you can see that it's not going to give us an error. Whereas if we try to put in something like open all day, it's going to give us an invalid time format. So we need to stick within these parameters. And to duplicate your time between each day, there's no button to do, but you can literally just copy, paste, and keep pasting. Once you're happy with that, just hit save and your business information is loaded. And if you found this useful, please make sure to leave a like, hit subscribe, and check out all the Squarespace resources in the description below.